Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a report in Salesforce Lightning. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to access to our reports folders. So basically you can do it from your navbar by going to reports or simply go to the app launcher and search for reports. And basically from there you can find all your reports. If you want to add the reports in your navbar, you can simply go to edit and then go to add more items, all and search for reports. And basically I already have it in my navbar, that's why I cannot find it in the add more items. And now all we need to do is to go to the quick actions, and then you will see here in search for share. And basically sharing doesn't work on single items, but you can start sharing your folders. So from here, I can create a new folder, for example, any folder that you would like. So as you can see here, a new folder, and I'm just going to all the folders that I have, and simply all you need to do is to go here and click on share, and basically now you will be able to share with all the users in your organization. So I'm just going to choose this one, and you can also add some access, and of course I'm just going to click on share, and then you will need just to add the access if it is only read only or also writing. Then you will need just to click on done, and now you have shared your reports with the users in your organization. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.